here is a Whirlpool refrigerator here. You can see here. Let's open this up here. Here's the inside. Light bulb does work on it. See, this is model WRT318FZDWO2, manufactured January 2017. So this thing is already 9 years old. Here's the controls here. This is for the temperature. So there's the refrigerator. Here's the freezer here. Nothing special about this either. This ice maker will definitely last forever. That's a good old looking ice maker here. Well, if you want to show this, so there's that.